Alright, so this is my typewriter. It sure is the coolest typewriter you ever did see. You've got the keys right here, spacebar, backspace, enter. Got like a rabbit, and then this is where the paper goes. Back here, it's got a nice little handle. And this paper that I have over here is actually like some thicker paper to provide like, I don't know, it's almost like a card stock or something, you know. Alright, so then once you got your paper, you're going to bring it back here. I keep my typewriter always set up and ready to go. So you're going to take the paper, put it in the bottom left corner of the reserve, then you're going to lock it by pushing one of these things forward, right? And then you've got these dials on the left and right. Well, right and left is what I showed, but left and right. And then you just draw in the paper. Voila! And then you are pretty much ready to go. So I'm just going to type out a little something for y'all. So we're going to go enter, enter to give some room up at the top. And we're going to type a little message. I like doing 2 spaces in between words. Alright, well, I don't know if y'all can see that, but if anyone can tell me what that says in the comments down below, yeah, I'll pin your comment and maybe make a community post or something. Anyway, this is the coolest typewriter you ever did see. Thank you, peace, love you, bye.